I cannot believe this many people came. Damn. Today is the day. We are hosting a meet. I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know how many people are gonna show up, but what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before we get going, I gotta clean this car because believe it or not, I spent 2 hours cleaning this car and it is completely disgustingly dirty. So it's time to clean up, hit the road, and I got some things I wanna show you guys that I've done and put on the car since you've last seen it. It's time to rinse this off. This is the only time I get to actually see these wheels in a gloss black finish for what they are. They are always dirty matte satin, bronze, brown, I don't even know. I have gone ahead and I've ordered new pads for the front, which are supposed to give me a lot less brake dust. These OEM wheels actually do look good when they're clean. They're just never clean. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but we are as good as it's gonna get. It's a lot cleaner. I'm already late, so we gotta fly. Quick little pit stop to meet up with the crew. I didn't let you guys know, but Jake and Abos flew in from the States, and I'm also meeting up. We got Max over there, Victor, Sparky, or David. This is our meet. We all hosted it. This is not just my meet.
Yeah, this guy's wearing Supreme Underwear since 2016.
Get it. Oh! Lucky for Max, I went through this in PA, so I have a full tire repair kit in my trunk. Okay, we successfully plugged in. By we, I mean David. I didn't do anything. I just watched. Now we're good to go. Is that a good driving stance? We're like 1 minute away from the location. There's a cop already pulling somebody over there, and on Waze it shows there's like 4 cops in the area. And me hasn't even started yet. Oh my god, everyone's filming us, guys. Max, come up here. Everyone's just filming us. I don't know. We're all used to being on camera a lot, but this is just weird. Look, go to the right. Guys, I'm camera shy. I'm really nervous right now. What you got here?
It's the rod bearing from the M240.
240 rod bearing, and got the shirt too. Turn around, show them the back. Yes, sir. So the rod bearing from that car.
This was signed by everyone, but my dumbass put it in the washer, so it's like all gone.
Oh.
But yeah.
At least you got the bearing. That's hilarious. This is a ridiculous turnout. It's about 40 minutes into the meet. I'm so happy we have this giant property because the first location would not have been big enough for this at all. And thank you to everybody who came out. There's got to be over 1,000 cars here. Like, this is ridiculous. Absolute mayhem. There is a lineup of traffic to get into the meet. This is insane. We got, this is Jake's signature?
Yeah, Jake's. You're the second one so far, so.
Okay. Okay, can I do it over here?
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere on the carbon fiber.
I got followed by a famous person.
Same. Awesome.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, when I turn this camera around, you're not going to believe how many people are here. You kind of just saw a glimpse right there, but this is insane. I cannot believe this many people came. God damn. This has got to be like over 1,000 cars. I don't even know how many. Thank you guys. Tell them what you just told me.
I love the new spoiler.
Okay.
It is approved.
Okay, thank you, thank you. See, it's a good spoiler.
paint it?
I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't want to mess this up.
Make it big. I don't even care.
I'd be pissed if I asked for an autograph and it looked like that. You know, that was really good.
Is that a good signature?
That's so good.
So even though we have permission and it's private property, the cops are like pretty much blocking the entrance and exit. I don't know if they're entrapping or ticketing people, but they've called the owner of this lot, who we do have permission from to be here, and has told us we all have to get out and leave. So we're trying to leave, but it's just too many people. Like, how do I pull my car out of this? In Canada, private property is now still considered public property, so you're not really safe if you sit here. Even though we do have permission, I guess like we can still get tickets and stuff. I don't want to kind of mess around and find out what they can charge us with, so I just want to get out and go. We were only here for 2 hours. It's an amazing turnout. It is starting to rain a bit, but yeah, sad days. Thank you so much everyone who's coming. I want to do this more often, but maybe organize a little bit better.
Look to your left.
What? Oh, hi moms. Can I make you a mom? Sorry.
Do you want to?
Yeah, can you film? Policia, policia. I'm gonna close my valves actually.
Yeah, that'll.
Hello, Valvetronic? Valvetronic? I love how people are filming to like do a burnout or something.
Out probably 2 months ago. This is my second time meeting him. Coolest car here, bro. I love his spoiler. No one ever disrespect the spoiler. That's beautiful. Ario, it was nice seeing you again. Easy.
Man, all right? And now for the stuff that I wanted to show you guys at the start of the video, some new things I did to the car. Maybe you've seen them on shorts, but I always gotta update my long form viewers as well. Starting with the mirror caps. We got carbon fiber mirror caps from Euro Empire. I mean, the weave is, it looks OEM. It pretty much matches the roof really, really well. The fitment is like perfect, like as you can see here. There's no like weird or uneven gaps. That looks completely OEM. It's kind of crazy to spend almost 90,000 Canadian on this and not get carbon mirror caps when it came with a carbon roof and carbon interior. I think it might come with an M Performance package, but the M Performance parts for this car look disgusting, honestly. I'll put some photos up here. I don't know who would ever opt for that. I mean, I think they look awesome. I actually love them so much, and I should have done this a long time ago. It's usually like the first thing someone does to their car. And the next thing we have is at the back of the car. You might be able to see it. It's my spoiler. I decided to do a wrap match with the Fierce Fuchsia on the side and all along the top. Let me know what you guys think. I really do think it looks better from the side. It kind of flows better. I think the full carbon kind of stood out too hard. As you can see, it's still partially exposed. The edges, they shine really nicely, and then underneath, you can still see that it is in fact a nice carbon wing. From the back, you can see that strip too, which I really like a lot. I don't know, I think if the car was black, the full carbon would look a lot better, but I think this flows really, really nicely now. And then finally, the last thing I want to show you is with my interior. I decided to rip out my back seats. And honestly, because the interior is black, I feel like it doesn't even look that bad. I know my trunk is messy. It's mostly just clothes and towels. I gotta clear that out. I really want to do like a rear seat delete kit. So like a flat cover for here, and then maybe like some sway, not sway bars, but those like support bars that go across with some Velcro straps so that stuff from the back can't fly through here. I never use my back seats. I think the weight savings was around like 60 pounds, which isn't a lot, but it's also not nothing. And it wouldn't take long for me to throw them back in if I needed. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate everyone who came to the meet. Hope you enjoyed the new stuff on the car. I have a pretty awesome looking carbon diffuser on the way from RW Carbon. I can't wait to show you guys what that's gonna look like. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to get a haircut, I know. Like what is this? What is going on here? Ugh.